Hello guys and welcome to today's vlog. I'm back from the dead, but today's going to be an apartment tour and then we're also going to do a room tour, each of our rooms, so you'll get 3 room tours. So this is my roomie bestie Bree and we've been roomies for a year now. And then we live in a 4x4 and this is one of our random roommates, but Bree knew her for a while back home. So this is Fabiola.
Hi.
So yeah, we'll be seeing all of our rooms, and then for those of you that care, there's gonna be a live update at the end if you guys are curious why I'm back and kind of where my channel is going. But let's just get right into the apartment tour. Wow, hi guys. We've got our little key hook, and then this is our common room area. You look like a potato. We all kind of hang out here and do homework, and so all of our furniture is like comes with the apartment, so we don't choose it, and this couch is literally like the most uncomfortable thing. And then we got our tapestry, all of our boards. I still have to move like 3 of them though.
You still have more?
Yeah, I have 3 more, so it's gonna be so packed once I get those in there. We have this cute tapestry, not tapestry, what is it?
A
blanket.
Yeah,
it's like a blanket. Mexican blanket thing, yeah. And then we got just extra drinks in this fridge, and then we got my record player.
Probably not plugged in.
I mean, it doesn't have to be plugged in.
It doesn't?
No. Actually, maybe it does.
Yeah, it does.
Then we've got our cute little string lights that I didn't put up this time.
I put them up during Hurricane Dorian.
Beautiful. And then this is kind of just like the TV part. We got, these are my boards, and then our little Luna statue.
Yes, this is Luna, our cat. This is Andy's ugly Christmas candle.
It's not that ugly. My mom got it for me. There's a hair right there.
It's so ugly.
And then here we just have like dining room table. We have a little fog decor out. And then kitchen. She's not even following me. Our fridge, very basic. And then just like kitchen-y things. We got a little bread basket. This is where we keep like our cup. This is part of my cup collection. My friend's mug. I actually have 2 of them, I think. So,
I bought that.
yeah, she did get that one for me. It's my favorite mug ever. That's it for kind of the downstairs like living room area. We do have a little common area upstairs too that we'll show you guys once you go into Fabiola's room because she lives upstairs. Now we'll do me and Bree's room tour, so come on. So this is my room. I'm right next to the pantry, so that's pretty dangerous at night. Right here I have my tapestry, and I really like astrology, really like zodiac signs, so this was super cute. This space is kind of creepy though to like wake up in the morning to.
I have the same one but in yellow.
Another board, I got my guitar, I keep all my school stuff there, and then I have yoga mat, and all of my like clothes are kind of like in the bottom part. And then I don't know why I have so many sloth stuffed animals. Like I have 3 of them, and it's not even like sloths are my favorite animal, but I think I've gotten like, you got me one, Danny got me one, and this one's from Hooties. This is kind of like my friend's wall, so I've got all my Polaroids of my friends and then pictures of my friends. And
it's really only the same 3 people.
These lights, I know, for real. These lights stopped working, so they don't work right now, which is really sad. But got my tapestry, and then this is my little side table that's super cute. I don't remember where this is from. I think it's actually from Ross, but I've got all my little like books and then some crystals, and I actually found this little oyster and I like painted it, so yeah. And then PuraVida bracelets. Me and Bree have like a million of them. This is probably
way too many.
Half of them, and I have more in a drawer somewhere. And then this is actually a candle wax melter that's super nice. I got it from Goodwill for like $2. I've got some cedar stone sprays, and then my Himalayan salt lamp. I have lights like everywhere. If you guys haven't noticed, I have like 20,000 strings of lights, but this was just from Target or Walmart, I'm pretty sure. Little dream catcher, and then these are my paintings, and I used 3 different types of tape, and it kept coming down, which is so annoying, so I finally tacked them up. And then this is kind of like my vanity desk area, so I'll sit here and do my makeup pretty much every morning. Got my lab coat because I'm a scientist.
She's a doctor.
There's a pen mark on it, but
cute.
I have my little letterboard.
I did
a
that.
friend's quote on it. Bree put it on for me. I love it. I've got my lipsticks, brushes. This mirror I got from Goodwill for $10, I'm pretty sure. More lights, and then that was
$10.
Ross. Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
Ross.
And then I have all my cameras in this corner, so it's mainly just my Polaroids and then 2 of my film cameras. And then this is pretty much all makeup, so if you guys want like a makeup collection, I have an old video on it actually, and it really hasn't changed that much, but I can do an updated one if you guys want to. Got my ukulele.
Play a little song.
It's out of tune. Okay, so into my bathroom. It's not really anything special.
Another mirror.
Put this back. Just have like organizers and stuff. I have like my little incense thing in my bathroom. I have my Alexa. Good morning.
Good morning. On this day in 1930, Bobby Jones became
Alexa.
the first and only golfer.
Alexa, enough.
Did I ask? And then here is a medicine cabinet. I just keep most of my skincare stuff and like, I don't know, random things. So I'm planning on doing a skincare routine too. So right here I have this painting that I actually wanted. We went to Painting with a Twist for my birthday this year. This is my shower. Those are just my shower.
Did you clean it?
Shower things.
Should we show everyone?
No, do not show them. My shower's so good.
Oh, you don't have any hairs. Oh, we
This was the painting that I painted. Painting with a Twist. Oh, all those paintings up by my desk, by the way, I painted. So this is my closet, and this is a little basket. I keep all of my like bikini making stuff. I'm making a video soon about how I make my swimwear, so you guys can look forward to that. I can't tell, I'm not really tall enough to reach this area, so I just kind of throw things up there and like hope they stay. These are 2 drawers full of just bikinis, so yeah, it's pretty bad.
Oh.
So yeah, that's my room. So now let's go see Bree's room.
Oh.
She lives right across from me. This is it.
We're gonna start with this thing right here. I bought this, built it myself, as you can tell. We have our little picture frame. Oh, let me turn on my lamp. Have our fall candles, our big long mirror.
Where I come to take selfies all the time.
Yes, this is the picture spot. My bed with my makeshift bed frame.
I think that's so cute.
Stole it from my dad's ex. And we have our fishnet thingy, which is also stolen from her.
It's super cute.
My cool little thing that I wake up to in the morning. This is a TJ Maxx find. I think it was like 20 bucks. My little nightstand. I have my charger. This is Haley, the original best friend. We have another, what is this, sea salt pumpkin?
Cat scratching post.
Oh yeah, that. That's not always there. She kind of moves it a lot. Let me come over to my desk. I never use it, so it really has nothing important on it. So, bathroom? Yeah. What you see is what you get. There's not much going on here. And we have this, the shower curtain. I put up a curtain instead of that loud, creaky door. So here we have my Crocs. These are Crocs. Jeans. Then we have like the long sleeve stuff. T-shirts, the crop tops. And yeah,
Cute.
I think that's it.
You wanna?
Just kidding.
Alright, so that is our whole downstairs area. So now Fabi's gonna lead us to her neck of the woods upstairs.
How was it?
Strange.
So yeah, my friend drew me those, so.
Got our yoga mats down
yeah,
there.
It's still in the works, so I haven't.
Cheers.
$3 at Goodwill. $3 at Goodwill.
$3 at Goodwill.
Each?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Great.
Christina.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
so this is my room.
She has the same one I do pretty
Yeah, mine
much.
is
It's a little bit
yellow.
different.
That's supposed to be a plant holder, right? But I don't have a plant. So I'm gonna go soon. Those are all fake because I can't keep a thing alive.
And you want more real play?
Yeah, no. And then I just have pictures of my family because I'm very family oriented. This is my bathroom. As you can see, I like monkeys because you see monkeys basically everywhere. And then
A painting of a fake plant.
And then my closet's empty. My drawers are what's filled. Everything's in here, and it's all. I can't open it because it's.
That's how mine were last
Yeah,
year.
it's
They're
annoying.
super annoying.
You little monster. You're gonna get stuck.
Okay, yeah. So that's my
Let's go.
room, I guess. I have that Buddha poster. Oh, and I also have this. Got it from Urban Outfitters, both.
Yeah, this is our 4th roommate's room. I'm gonna be honest, I only see her maybe once a week, if that. I saw her twice this week. So that was it for the apartment tour. I hope you guys did like it. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about my life update because it has been a couple of years since I've posted on YouTube. So my channel is actually going to probably change a lot. I am kind of not really that into makeup anymore. Like I still do my makeup and stuff and I like doing it, but not so much into reviewing and like purchasing as much as I was before. So I think my channel is mainly going to be like kind of vlog based, just kind of like day in my life sort of stuff. I'm at UCF for college now. I'm actually a sophomore and I'm studying health sciences pre-clinical track with a minor in psychology and hopefully going to PA school. I don't know if I want to do a schedule because in the past when I told you guys that I would be posting like once or twice every single week, She's licking my toes. Anyways, I would feel really pressured to post, so, and it just wasn't fun anymore. So I want this to just kind of be like whenever I want to post. But that's pretty much it for the life update part of this, I guess. So you guys will definitely get to see a lot more of my life. I have a lot of fun stuff planned for this channel, so I hope you guys will stay and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.